Here are some of the most effective study techniques which you can follow in order to rock an exam. So let's begin. Point number 1, active reading. This involves actively engaging with the text you are reading, highlighting key points, taking notes, summarizing the material, and asking questions about what you're reading can help you understand and retain information better. Point number 2, practice with past papers and quizzes. Practice makes one perfect. Testing yourself through practice tests and quizzes can help you identify areas where you need more practice, and it can also help you become more comfortable with the format of the exam. Point number 3, time management. Creating a study schedule can help you manage your time more effectively. Prioritizing your tasks, setting achievable goals, and sticking to your schedule can help you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Point number 4, mind maps and diagrams. Creating visual aids, such as mind maps and diagrams, can help you organize information and see relationships between different concepts. Point number 5, active recall. Actively recalling information that you have learned is one of the most effective ways to retain information. Testing yourself through flashcards, summarizing what you have read, and reciting information out loud are all examples of active recall. Point number 6, take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. It's important to take short breaks every 25 to 30 minutes to maintain your concentration and energy levels. If you find it helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and leave your valuable feedbacks in the comments section.